Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Walmart affiliate program for extra income detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Walmart affiliate program, first, visit the Walmart affiliate website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the registration form with your personal information and website details. Once you submit your application, wait for approval from Walmart. After approval, log into your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools and resources available to you. Next, explore the products offered through Walmart's extensive catalog. Select the products you want to promote based on your audience's interests. Copy the unique affiliate links generated for each selected product. Now, it's time to promote using your website or social media channels. Create engaging content that highlights the products you've chosen. Consider writing reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content. Utilize eye-catching images or videos to draw attention to the products. Track your performance using the analytics tools available in your dashboard. Monitor which products are generating the most clicks and conversions. Adjust your marketing strategies based on the data you collect. Experiment with different types of content and promotional methods. Consider seasonal trends and shopping events to boost your efforts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Stay updated on Walmart's promotions and sales to maximize your earnings. Always comply with the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Finally, be patient as building a successful affiliate income takes time and consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.